all guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So basically this video is going to be the routine of 13th May 2025 and this video is going to be the routine of day 524th days of routine video. So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happened and what is actually not happened throughout the whole days of routine video. I'm going to share you, right? So without having the further delay, let's start today's routine video. So basically today first of all I wake up, then after that I wash my mouth. Basically what is actually happening, my sister and sister's husband and my mother uh, you know uh, ready to go to my nanny's home, right? So basically they went there. Then after that I was at my sister's home with my nephew and niece, right? So basically what is actually happened, I was playing with them, right? And the thing is that they were shouting so much when their parents has gone to somewhere, so they were started shouting so much, right? And I was just trying to handling them, and they were shouting as that much way where so long way their voice reached, right? So I was just trying to settle it all down, but they are playing, right? So and I explain her and I try to make understand them, right? So basically this is a thing what has actually happened on that time, right? So after that what is actually happened, you know basically after that I ate food, right? So basically that is the thing what has actually happened on that time. And basically throughout the whole days there was nothing to do so much anything, right? And after eating the food I again started playing with my nephews and niece, right. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. And there is was also a one issue what is actually happened there, that is about the power cut happening so much of electricity. The electricity is power cut happening so much at Bihar, right? So this is the one of the major issues what I had faced. So yes guys, that is the thing what is actually happened. So my nephew and he just trying to send my phones and charger to someone's home where the electricity connection, so that after that my phone's charged, then they brought then also he asked me that I will use your phone for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, right? So I just gave them, right? And sometimes when I think that it is not a proper or right time to give, so I don't give them for their for good, for not happening any bad thing in future, right? So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. And at the time of evening I ate food and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. Now what is actually I am going to do, revise the 6th chapter of the company law, that is Memorandum of Association, MOA. So first structure is 6.1 learning objectives, 6.2 introduction, 6.3 contents of memorandum, section 4, 6.4 alteration of memorandum of association, 6.5 is summary, 6.6 is answer to in text questions, 6.7 is self-assessment questions, 6.8 is suggested readings. So 6.1 is learning objectives. After studying this chapter, students may be able to explain the meaning of the memorandum of association, list different clauses of memorandum of association, discuss the provisions of the Companies Act for alteration of clause of memorandum. Now introduction. The formation of a public company involves preparation and filing of several essential documents. Two of basic documents are Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association. The formation of a public company involves preparation of filing of several essential documents. Two of basic documents are, okay. The preparation of a Memorandum of Association is the first step in the formation of a company. It is the main document of the company which is defines its objective and lays down the fundamental conditions upon which the company is allowed to be formed. It is the unalterable charter or constitution of the company. According to Section 2 of 56 of the Companies Act 2013, memorandum means memorandum of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company law or of this act. This definition does not provide any idea of the nature and importance of this document. Lord Macmillan defined a memorandum as a document which governs the relationship of the company with the outside world. It enables shareholders, creditors, and all those who deal with the company to know the scope of activities of the company. It enables these parties to know the purpose for which their money is going to be used by the company and the nature and extent of risk they are undertaking in making investment. According to Palmer, memorandum specifies the objects for which the company is formed and enables outsiders dealing with the company to know whether the contractual relation in which they intend to enter with the company is with the objects of the company. Any act which is beyond the powers of the company is ultra vires and hence void. Okay. Form of memorandum, Section 4. According to Section 4 of the Act, memorandum of a company shall be drawn in such form and manner as given in the following tables of Schedule 1st of the Companies Act 2013. Table A contains a form of memorandum of a company limited by shares. Table B contains a form of memorandum of a company limited by guarantee and not having share capital. Table C contains a form of memorandum of a company limited by guarantee and having share capital. Table D contains a form of memorandum of an unlimited company. Table E contains a form of memorandum of an unlimited company and having share capital. Okay. The memorandum of association of a company shall be printed, divided into paragraphs, numbered consecutively, and signed by a prescribed number of subscribers, at least 7 in case of public company, 2 in case of private company, and 1 in case of one-person company. Each subscriber must sign and mention his or her address, description, and occupation in the presence of at least one witness who shall at least attest the signatures and shall provide his particulars. Now, contents of memorandum, Section 4. Name clause. Since a company is a distinct legal entity, it must have its own name. The name of a public company must end with the words limited, and that of a private company with the words private limited, and one-person company in case of one-person company. A company can be registered with any name subject to the following restrictions. The name of the company must not be undesirable. Also, it should not be similar to or identical to the name of an existing company or LLP. If it is so, it is considered to be undesirable by the central government, and the government may order the company to change its name. However, the government may order a change of name if the resemblance result in confusion as to the existence of some association between the two companies and it likely to deceive the customer. Okay, now reservation of name. According to Section 4 of the Act, a person may reserve the name of a proposed company by making an application to the registrar along with the required information and documents. After receipt of the application, the registrar shall reserve the name for a period of 60 days from the date of approval of the name. After reservation of the name, if it is found that the information furnished by the person was wrong, then if the company is not incorporated, then the reserved name shall be cancelled and the person making such application shall be liable to a penalty up to rupees 1 lakh. If the company has been incorporated, then the registrar shall provide the company an opportunity of being heard and then direct it to pass an ordinary resolution and change the name within 3 months, or to take action for striking of the name from the register of companies, or to make a petition for winding off. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened. The next after that I will try to discuss to the upcoming videos. So yes guys, I think it is enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you again. Bye.